Hello guys, welcome to Co Academy, and in this video we will be talking about explicit cost versus implicit cost. Now this is a very often used terminology in finance, accounting and economics. So in this video we'll be talk about the meaning of these two terminologies. We'll be referring to some examples and we will be talking about the differences. So let's start. So first of all we will talk about explicit costs. So, friends, a transaction that has measurable cost to a firm is called an explicit cost. What does this mean is that when you buy something, when the business buys something and they have to pay it with the money, then it means that that particular transaction can be quantified and that particular cost is measurable. For example, when a business purchases new assets, for example, for $10,000, the business purchases a vehicle or a building, so that cost is measurable. Business knows that it has paid $10,000. So that $10,000 can easily be recorded in the financial statements of the business. So it's an explicit cost. Same goes for hiring of workers. You pay them wages and wages can be quantifiable and they are recorded in the financial statements. Purchase of materials, of course, same. It goes without saying that they are explicit costs because the business has to incur costs and those costs are measurable and they are recorded in the financial statements. Talking about implicit costs, implicit costs are any costs which are incurred when a business takes a decision and resultantly it leads to lower income, but that is not quantifiable and hence it's not recorded in the balance sheet. For example, giving workers a day off. Now, this will definitely lead to decrease in production and decrease in sales and decrease in income. But a business does not know by how much. It could be 1,500,000, it could be 10,000, it could be 200,000, it could be anything. But the business cannot quantify it. It cannot measure it in black and white. So that is an example of an implicit cost. Implicit costs, of course, business cannot recognize them in the financial statements because you cannot measure them. A simple concept in accounting is that you only record those things which are measurable. So implicit costs, although they are costs to the business, a business suffers loss due to them, but the business does not record them because they are not easily quantifiable. So I hope you learned something useful from this video, and I will keep uploading more videos, so do subscribe to the channel, and you can of course visit the different playlists in the channel and wherein you will find lots and lots of useful material. Thank you.